Hello everyone, my name's Daniel and I'm a programmer and an artist, and today I'd like to share with you a project I've been working on, which I'm calling BAnims. BAnims is an animation asset format for Unity, and the project contains tools to export that format from Blender and import it as an animation clip into Unity. Essentially, I was frustrated with all the fiddling required to edit export and import settings on FBX files, and I wanted a better solution. What if you could export animation in a single click, and export a second animation with a second click? The animation is baked and exported simultaneously. What you see is what you get, no matter whether it was constrained, simulated with physics, or layered in the NLA. Each animation is exported as a single file and appears as a single animation clip in Unity. You can animate your character moving through the scene, making it easy to detect problems such as foot slide, and the root zeroing feature will import the animation relative to the root bone, keeping the character at its origin. Since it is useful to animate a character moving through a scene, two kinds of root motion are available: Unity's built-in solution and a custom scriptable solution. Markers in Blender are exported as animation events, which can be used to trigger effects or run code in sync with the animation. And custom properties are exported as float curves, which can be used for prop attachments, blend shapes, or anything else. The partial rig feature allows you to make a selection of bones and then only export animation for the bones you selected. In Unity, this makes it easy to layer animations without needing to use avatar masks. If the start and end frame of an animation loop do not match, there will be a pop whenever the animation loop repeats. This is common when using physics simulations or motion capture data. By enabling the seamless loop option, you can remove the pop and make sure that the start and end frames match. That was a very quick look at all of the features. There will be another video where I go into each feature in depth. There's also a link in the description to the documentation page, and if you are interested in getting BAnim tools, there is also a link to its Gumroad page. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.